Hey pack leaders, this is here with friends and I are protecting families, protecting the pack. I figured a way how to clone or do a snapshot of my VPS. So it'll be way easier to set up. It'll take a few minutes instead of like 35 minutes to an hour or something to set it all up. And then run into problems and then try to troubleshoot whatever. So this is proven to work. And this is how it's going to go. Alright, so you're going to have to add me to your project. So let's just kind of say, hey, you know, I got this one here. You're gonna have to go to what do we add in the project? Oh, let me go back a little bit. Go back to servers, cloud consoles. Okay, so here, I think you add. So you have a project. You go into your project, and then you would have to add some people to your project. So I believe that is. Let's see. I'm trying to figure this out. I thought I did some snapshots, backup. Okay. Hold on a second. Oh, there it is. Under security, members, and then add me here. I'll put this email address in the members area or whatever. Just add me. And then you can add me as, I think restrict is all you need. So I could share stuff with you. And then that's kind of it. Or, you know, yeah, you want to get it restricted, okay? And just add me to this, so you know, I could just share stuff with you, and I don't want to do anything to your computer. So in a way, this way, if other members who also have the snapshot, if you kind of know someone in Discord, I am asking also the members to kind of help you for new members, helping new members come in who can then share that snapshot, okay? Because I'm gonna have to clone it and then move it over to your project. Alright, so once you add it as restricted, then I can't, whoever that you should, they won't be able to mess with your stuff, okay? Alright, so now I have a snapshot here called the VPS basic setup. I set it up so that I can remove my personal password. It's a generic password, and I'll put that in the members area. Just use that to log in to the VPS once it's all set up. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to have to transfer the project, but I want to clone it first before I transfer it, because I don't have to transfer it and then, so you know what, I think I can just do another snapshot. That's fine, yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer it, because I can always go back to my server, which is my basic setup here, and then create a new snapshot kind of thing. Take a snapshot, and then I can do another one, since that one will always be there. But then I'm always paying $10 a month on that. So let me go ahead and create a second snapshot as a backup snapshot. I don't know, so that I have a backup. So this is what you want to do. Ooh. And yeah, it's gonna cost you more money because of storage or whatever. So let's go ahead and do that. So then it's gonna create another snapshot. And then while that's being created, I'll go ahead and send this one over to the to another project. And I think this one's another project that was shared with me. Transfer to snapshot. Now they have to pay for it, and I have one here. So I'm gonna create the second one, and then I'll transfer it to another project, and then do it over again. Okay, so now under Trapbot, they now have a snapshot right here that you can create. So then I'll go ahead and message my group. Okay, Prowler. You got a snapshot. Over to Duke. Alright, so now I'm gonna have to do that. So if you store it, you'll have to pay storage fee. That seems only 10. Alright, so it's only 10, I think it's about 10 cents a month to pay for the storage fees. And once you transfer it, then you can keep it and recreate more if you like, kind of thing. Okay, but in a sense, once you have it, you could just delete it if you don't want to pay the extra 10 cents or whatever, and then you can just create a new snapshot of your current one and then clone it to the next one, and go from there. Okay, so let's go ahead and I think this VPS setup is now done. It's pretty quick. Can I move it? Nope, I can't move it because I'm restricted, so that's fine. So I'm gonna go back to my own one, TBS, and I'm gonna transfer it to another one once that snapshot's done, and go from there. Okay, so that's basically it. You might want to clone one if someone's asking for it. You might want to, I don't know, like I can do it. It's just, you know, I have to set it up and send it over to you. Okay, so it just takes a little bit of time. So if it gets bigger and I don't get to it, whatever, then maybe ask someone who can spin up a clean one without any personal passwords or you know, set up files in there, and you can then spin that one up. So I made sure I deleted all my browser caches and empty the recycling bin, and you know, clear out the API keys and save the file and all that other stuff, and then I sent it over as a snapshot. So there you go, guys. Now it's way easier. Now once you launch it, it's you can just log right in with your remote desktop and be running. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to yeah. So yeah, definitely I'll put this in video, and ask me or whatever. If I get to it, great. Ask someone to do it for you. That's even better. Okay, thanks.